Hello guys, welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run online social networking website project created using the PHP. As you can scroll down little, you can see this is the project ID. You can search by this in our website. Little lower you can find the options to download the source code, which is not more than 50 MB, and project documentation also with clear explanation of the project, which are downloaded as zip file. Make sure you download both the files and read documentation before running the project. Now go to the new tab and go to the XAMPP installation website, where you can find the installation files for different operating system. Choose based on your operating system. I have already installed XAMPP on laptop. Let's go the downloaded project file folder. Open the online social networking folder and you can find the install text file and other related website information. Open next folder and you can find all the PHP files, images, templates, and also the college networking.sql database file also here. Now copy the whole college networking folder to the XAMPP folder which was created during installation and go to Hide Docs and paste the file there. Now half of our work is completed and now we need to go the start menu and run the XAMPP control panel using the admin rights and start both Apache and MySQL and make sure they are started successfully. Now open the Google Chrome and go to the PHP MyAdmin panel and click on the new and add the database to the MySQL server. Now click on the new options and here we need to add the college networking.sql file exact name. You can find that. Now first we need create the database in the name of the ecom because our .sql and database file must be same to avoid errors, and it's better to copy the file name from the database folder so that no error will happen further. Click on create. Next you need to upload the .sql file to our exam database from the college networking folder which is located in the Hide Docs folder, which takes a little more time based on the size of the SQL file. Here our .sql file contains the tables like category, products, sales, users, details, shopping cart, etc. Great here. As you can see 25 queries were successfully uploaded. Now go the new tab and move to the location localhost index and you can find the online college networking folder and click on it. Hooray, you can see our website is live and running seamlessly. This the most useful and simple homepage similar to other shopping websites you can find online. You can see the homepage here, sign up, and when you click on login you can find the login form here, and when click on photos you will find the options to choose and upload the image of your choice in the website and choose wisely. You can also upload videos from this section. You can find the tutorial section where you can find the paper name, section, etc. You can also upload the articles from here. Now this is the college networking website project created using the PHP in a simple way. It is the hub for all programmers and the students. This is all about the online shopping website project using the PHP. You can view project working video by clicking watch demo video. You can also join our YouTube channel Kashipara. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.